lifted Econoline with the Raptor Style Grill. I'm parking lot overlanding. I really like how this Raptor grill turned out. I think I spotted Campos. Is that you, Campos? It's Campos. I won't bother you right now, buddy. Go ahead and sleep. All kinds of sick add-ons. Here's my sick add-ons tow bar holder. I'll put a video of me towing my tracker here at the end. Is an entire small Suzuki 4x4 considered a sick add-on? It's a great combo right here. I'm towing my tracker on next week's road trip. This week, it's just a van. Welcome, new subscribers to my channel. Here's my setup. Messy. Slept in my van last night. Sofa bed in sofa mode right now. There's my TV. TurboGrafx 16 Mini. Here's my electricity. Solar. Fridge, electric fan, space cooler. Portable power station. This one's receiving about 60 watts of solar charge right now. 60 watts in. Here's another power station. This one's receiving 23 watts of solar. So this one's connected to a 50 watt solar panel. The other one's connected to a 100 watt solar panel. Here's my space cooler. It runs on water or ice. The ice is melted, so it's running just on water right now. So this siphons the water into a radiator, into a cooling pad. So that's how that works. Electric fan. I'll show you guys how cool this gets right now. Just water, cold water actually right now. The ice is melted. There you go, 61 degrees. And then the fan, 86, 88. So electric fan circulates whatever air's in the van, and this one outputs much colder temperatures, even colder if I actually had ice in this right now. One more look at the van. Always lots of vans in this parking lot. I spotted something cool actually. I'll show you guys right now. Everyone likes ambulance builds. Check out this one. This one's really nice. Big boy. There's another look. I like these baby semi trucks. I'm rolling in a van because I wanted something big enough to sleep in comfortably. And it has that cool lifted truck stance on it, but still small enough where it's not super cumbersome to drive around as a normal vehicle. And it has a little off-road capability. A beast, even among other overlanding vehicles.